Aliens once lived on Mars. Scientists discover biggest clue yet. This is on the Express UK. Scientists may have stumbled upon the biggest clue to date that Mars was once hosting life. More evidence suggests that the red planet was once warmer, and that it even had a wet climate that could have allowed the Martian surface to look more like a marshland rather than the dry desert that we know today. Researchers from the Georgia Institute of Technology and the Search for Extraterrestrial Life Institute, known as SETI, have analyzed Mars and found that there seems to be a massive spread of iron and calcium-rich carbonates buried beneath the surface, and they believe that this points to the evidence that water was once there. And if this is the case, this means that it could have been an ideal candidate for hosting life, much like Earth is today. SETI's Dr. Janice Bishop says, identification of these ancient carbonates and clays on Mars represents a window into history when the climate on Mars was very different from the cold and dry desert of today. It's becoming more widely accepted among scientists that water did once flow on Mars, but there has been little evidence to back this up. If water was ever once on Mars, then experts state that the underlayer of the soil would be full of such carbonates, which would have been formed when CO2 in the atmosphere would have been trapped by surface waters. And they explain that this would have increased the chances of habitability of the planet. While the discovery of these carbonates has been scarce in the past, this new study states that they have been discovered across multiple sites on Mars, and one of these sites includes the Lukaya crater, where 3 billion-year-old carbonates were buried under 5 kilometers of lava and cap rock. The lead author is James Ray, and he adds that outcrops in the 450-kilometer-wide Huygens Basin contain both clay minerals and iron or calcium-rich carbonate-bearing rocks. I'll leave links below for you for this.